Hi guys, it's Blancco. This video is going to be a video of me doing like my makeup tutorial. Also, I forgot to mention that I just got in the shower. So yeah, that's why I have on the towel and stuff like that, because I just got out the shower. I'll be back when I prep my face. Okay guys, I'm back. And I just finished my hair. I did with 2 ponytails, I don't know. I don't really like it. It's okay. Nobody cares. Get into the video. What I use to prep my face, I use Nivea lotion. I don't really use regular primer because I don't like how regular primer works for my face. So yeah, all I do is just take some, put on my face. Next, what I do is I take this Tattoo Studio brow pomade in the color 380 deep brown. This is what it looks like basically. Now, what I'm gonna do, because I don't want to do my brows off camera. I don't know why, for some reason I can't do my brows off camera. I meant on camera. I use this eyebrow pencil. What I do is I take my Airspun loose setting powder in the color Suntan. I like to set my brows. I just set all around it so it, like, the pomade doesn't like just slip and fall right off. I will be back when I am done with the brows. I'm about to conceal my brows now. What I use is Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer and Super Coverage in the color Natural Beige. I got like the mini one. And then I used my Fit Me foundation in the color 350 Coconut. I use the Morphe M432 brush. It's like a flat head brush, very flat. Like, just a little bit like that. And I'm gonna take a little bit more and I'm just gonna mix it. Okay, mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it. This is how it looks now. And what I do is I take like a little bit and then I just line a little bit under from where it starts. If you guys want an in-depth more eyelash tutorial, then I will give you one. But that's all I really do. I take my beauty blender. I want my beauty blender because I feel like it gets all the bacteria out of it and like I wash it. That's my beauty blender. Buff it out. I don't care. As of right now, it is 8:27 p.m. And like my hair's tight and it hurts. Like once I'm done with filming these videos, I'm gonna get this shit out. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to the next eyebrow. I'll be back when it's both done and then I can do my little eye look. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm done with my eyebrows. That's how they look. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my Morphe 39L Hit Lights palette. This one is the one I'm talking about. And these are the shades that are in here. Okay, so yeah, since I don't have all the shades in the 39L palette, I'm gonna be using some of that. Did I just speak gibberish? I'm gonna be using my Morphe Exchange Charles palette. I had the palette for like a good minute. Like when it first came out, that's how long I had it. Most of the colors are like in this palette, so that's how I'm gonna use all. Okay, so what I do, I have to do like certain colors to like make it pop up. I took the Morphe concealer in the color C0.00, which is like just white. It's just like plain white. Okay, so yeah, I'll just put on my eyelid. The eye look is gonna be like a crease type vibe, like a orangey gold type of vibe. Now I'm gonna take like this burnt orange color, you guys. I'm gonna take the Morphe M441 brush. I'm gonna take this color right here, like that. Take the Morphe M506 brush. That's how it looks. Okay, it looks really, really orange, so like I'm gonna get like some brown. And like make it like a brownish color. Something I love. I'll just like put it at the top. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut my crease, and I'm just gonna like cut my crease. Okay, you see? That's how it looks for now. Now I'm gonna clean it up with Too Faced concealer. Taking the Morphe M432 brush. Make sure like the brush is flat and, you know, just like apply like where I need it. Where I made the crease with the micellar water and Q-tip. And like just like try to like sharpen it. And then I'll add pink, like right here. And I'm gonna take the Morphe M441 brush. And like I'm gonna just like, you know, like. So like now I have to get like this really, really pretty gold shade. And that's all it is. And then there's like a black liner, stuff like that. So yeah, all that there's next is black liner, and then like a little bit of green under the eye, like the waterline. And that's what I'm gonna do next. Going with more pink and get that more pigmentation. Okay, this is definitely like cute. And so yeah, like I said, before I take the camera eyes, I'm gonna do a black liner, and then I'm gonna do like an under like green waterline, and like yeah, and then I'll be back with this. I already done it, and I'm gonna do face makeup. So yeah, I'll be back with my camera charges. Okay guys, I'm back. Makeup looks so good in person. Like I don't know why on camera it looks weird. Anyways, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Nivea lotion. And I'm gonna put it on my face for primer and a moisturizer, and yeah, cause I don't use I don't use primer because it doesn't work. Well, I think it doesn't work. I don't like it. So I'm gonna put it. I already cleaned my face off with the micellar water. Okay, now I'm gonna take my beauty blender, spray it with some rose water. It's dark because I like to match how my neck looks. Like my neck is darker than my face, so I gotta match foundation with her. And it looks good afterwards when you put on the lighter concealer, because yeah, it just goes. Like, everybody knows what I'm talking about. I don't have to explain myself. take concealer with Too Faced, obviously. I'm gonna use the Morphe M432 brush again. This is my favorite brush. I feel like right here. I like right there. You know, I mean, I'm not an expert. But like, I do what feels right and what feels necessary. And now you look like you might go fight anymore. Okay, well, I'm my favorite part, contour. I'm gonna take this contour palette, Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette. Looks like this. Just like, you know, lightly, but make sure it's getting on there again. I see that. I don't want to like buff it up a little bit. Now, what I'm gonna do is going to get the beauty blender and the airspun setting powder. Now my favorite part, which is the nose contour. I go in. I like to like blend it in my eye look. It's like seamless kinda. Now take my Morphe M432 brush and I make sure like I make like a teeny so it snaps. Now time to clean the lips. I take this brush. This is just the brush I ordered for Amazon. And I use this brush as my blush brush. I spray my brush with the rose water. And I'm gonna take a shade from Inshaw's palette. Because you know, highlight and all comes with it. And then take my beauty blender, blend it out. Okay, now I'm gonna take a small brush. I'm gonna do the same for the nose. Spritz, spritz, spritz. And now I'm gonna put on lashes. For my lashes, what I do is for lips. I take this yellow brush and I like to line a little bit over my lip, and I like to line a little bit under more of my lip to give more of a like effect of big bigger lips. I take like a really pretty nude lip. Take this Velvet Butter Matte Lip Cream in the shade Rosewood. Put a little bit of that in the middle. I'm gonna take this L'Oreal Infallible 8-Hour Pro Gloss. I'm gonna take like this regular clear lip gloss that I have and just put a little bit more. I have to put on my moles. So I take like a regular eyeliner. The moles I already have on my face. I just darken them up. That's what I do for my moles. Now I'm gonna just spray my face. all this makeup in. So guys, this is the finished look. If you guys like this look, make sure you follow the steps. That's the end of the video. Hope you guys like it, like, comment, and subscribe to see more. Tell me what you want to see next and I will do it. Bye babes.